So my old man put the starter on. We didn't get a chance to show that process because it was a long process. But we're gonna have more car vlogs for y'all coming up in the future. My old man, one of the best I ever seen, working on these cars and stuff. But the car is working now. And we just checking the headlamps on the back.
Tail lamps.
Tail lamps.
This is got man.
Might be a shortest in the bulb and put the wire
in there to hold it for right now. Let's see what's going on here.
We had to get this done before the snow hit. It's in Chicago. I seen CJ on 32 what he was doing today. He was pulling out his cars and I think he ran into a medium or something on the road. It messed up the rim on that Benz E-Class he had.
Yeah.
That snow is dangerous, y'all be careful out here. Try to get y'all maintenance done before the snow hits, especially if you're in the Midwest, especially in Chicago.
Get the lights on.
Yep. Just working on the tail lamp. This one right here was kind of low. Now we'll get my father a good YouTube name. Tech Walt or CJ on 32, you got one guy, his name called Lawsuit Jerry, then they got Off-Road Al. That's the guy that owned the body shop that he be working out of. Right there in South Chicago. I think I'm gonna ride back, just to check him out. No telling, he might be at the shop when we come over there. I was just talking to my cousin, we call him MJ, but he was sending me a picture of a Grand National, and he was like, if he was to do any rebuilding on a car, that's one car he'd start with first, a Grand National. It was all blacked out, it looked real good.
You bring this shit back over here. I'm gonna change that socket.
Okay. Shortest in the wire for the tail lamp on the driver's side. But we knew that's what the problem was, the starter. After the battery, that's the regulatory system. Alternator, starter, battery, water pump. Those are the main things you want to be functioning correctly in the wintertime, especially your heating core too. Check your thermostats and stuff like that, your radiators.
Hit a bump, that's gonna go out.
Alright. So we got the tail lamp on. We got
the right now.
Now we're gonna put this box on for these fuse panels. We got the brand new battery, and then we went out there to interstate. We got the battery that came with this car. Going over the fuses, checking the fuses. I checked the inside too with the panel to make sure it wasn't the starter fuse wasn't blown. That was cool. Good thing to learn about y'all whip. If you get a car, you gotta learn about it, know about it. Especially when something happens. We've been doing maintenance on our own cars for years. I really got broke in when I got the Dodge Series. I had a Dodge 2, Dodge 7. And that's what really started me off. Hey, that's good.
Yeah, we got to put that cover back around here.
Alright.
To keep that battery warm.
Okay.
Other than that,
that's it, y'all. We got it working. Okay. That was it. It started. That was the only problem that was wrong with the car. So that's it. So once again, y'all, this is another vlog. Alright, so we're about to get up out of here, man. I'm gonna holler at y'all later on the next one. It's your boy LCDAONE with my father, Tech Walt. Hey, Daddy, appreciate it. Oh yeah, love you too.
Let me look at these here like, where you go?
Alright, y'all see that right there? Those the headlamps right there. You probably just gotta search the ground and stuff to see why it's so dim. But I was having my high beams on.
That's before the toothbrush.
Alright.
Toothbrush.
Alright.
Right. How you doing, man?
That's it. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna holler at y'all later. Okay, my LC gang, man. We back at the crib, man. Just got back, man, from hooking up with my father and stuff, man. He took care of business today on the Honda. While I was doing this stuff right here, I had to make a run and stuff. You know, had to get out here and make a run. And he finished the job up. I really didn't get a chance to get the vlog on that part, but we still got to do some more work to it. So next week we will be doing some more work to it. And then also we got some more future vlogs coming up, man, that we're gonna be doing on cars and stuff like that, man. So if y'all like these type of videos, man, make sure y'all leave a comment. Just let me know what's up. But either way it go, we gonna be doing these car videos because that's the trend now anyway. And plus, you know, that highlights some of the mechanics and techs and auto body professionals that I have in my family. And my cousin MJ, he's up north. He do concept cars and stuff like that when he was working, you know, for dealerships and stuff like that. But he know how to put a engine in a concept. So, and we can do auto body work too, you know, and then, you know, do interior and stuff like that. As a matter of fact, my father did say he got 2 cars that he wanted to do some work to. Like one job he wanted to do interior and one gut it out, caulk it up and stuff like that. So I'm gonna do the vlogging on that stuff right there, and then you know, we just gonna keep on going with it, man. He got his garage set up for it, and yeah, we gonna make it happen, man. So I'm gonna try to join the 32 gang. Shout out to CJ on 32s, man, South Chicago. I think I'm gonna pull up to his shop, you know, just to check him out, man. Look at some rims and stuff like that. And no telling, he may be there when I come through. Okay. Shout out to Off-Road Al. Lawsuit Jerry, all the homies and stuff like that, Martin and his little homie Martin. My last name is Martin. Ain't that something? Put up and down. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna bring y'all some more videos, man. Trying to get my father channel started. I just named him in the video. I was saying we call him Tech Walt because my father been doing this stuff for, man, 40 plus years, man. He went from working on regular cars to working on big rigs. He drove trucks for about 30 years after he got out the service. My father was a military vet, and pretty much all my family they military vets. We ex-athletes and stuff like that, and you know, a lot of my family members now we law officials and stuff. We do, you know, law enforcement. Okay, and I do security. So yeah, but I'm glad that I had to bring y'all one of these videos, man, because I know y'all be looking for stuff like that. But the whip is right outside, man. Like I said, I showed y'all in the first part of this video for the, you know, fixing this whip. We got the chirp, the starter, the remote control. We got that fixed. We changed the battery. We went out to interstate battery. I didn't get a chance to vlog that part.
My battery was low that day. We went way out to 167th Street and got the battery, the original battery from where the battery came from. I don't know if it's the original battery that came in the car, but I know the last owner, they had that battery in their car. So we just went and switched it out. And then he ordered a real starter, a brand new starter from actually where it came from. I think he said, matter of fact, I think he said auto.com, auto.com. I got to check one again. But he ordered that starter, and the starter that he took out, he was going to have that tested and probably rebuild that starter. So if he do that, then I'll probably bring that vlog to y'all too. But we're going to be working on some cars and stuff. And then also, we're going to be vlogging and doing interior work too, because customizing, that's something that, you know, we've been doing for years, man, especially in Chicago. And CJ on 32, he just highlighting just a little bit of what Chicago do. Like, man, I'm telling you, I could tell y'all so much, man, about, you know, our car shows around here, man. We got car clubs and stuff like that. And it's like Chicago is kind of popping. The only thing the only bad thing about it is that it's just cold as hell outside. You know, that's why CJ said he moving around and he about to go where it's warm and stuff, because you really can't, you know, do anything when in the wintertime like that in Chicago, you know, except if you indoor. Like, that's why I'm doing this, you know, indoor, you know, studio and stuff like that, until I get to somewhere probably like California or something, or Houston, where you can be outside all the time and it's warm outside. Okay, but yeah, especially if you try to do car videos and stuff like that, you got to be in a warmer climate, you know, in order to showcase your talent, you know, and, you know, showcase what you could do when you customizing or fixing up a car, or, you know, rebuilding something. But yeah, man, another good day, man. I got 6 videos to chop up. This was the last one I did before I got up out of here. This was the Bucks versus the Magic. That was a good game too. So that vlog will be, that video will be coming. The reaction video will be coming. I'm about to chop this video up. Y'all probably watching it now. And yeah, man, then get back to the grind. But hey, this is your what can I call myself as far as these car videos, man? But it's still LCDAONE. LCDAONE, your indie stock car driver. Okay, sit up and down. Back with another vlog, man. Make sure y'all like, share, comment, subscribe, and turn the notification bell button on. And then we're gonna get my father channel started, man. I call him Tech Walt. We're gonna come up with a good name, but that sounds good. If that sounds like a good name, y'all let me know, man. Tech Walt, man, for real. So that's my old man. He did his thizzle today, man. Stood up now. He said it took him a long time because that's to get that screw in for that starter housing. And I know exactly what you're talking about. But it's easier. It was easy on the Intrepid when I did the Intrepid. And but these foreign cars, they're a little bit more complicated and stuff like that. But yeah, we gotta get a good name for my old man, man. I'm called Tech Walt. Just like CJ on 32's got Lawsuit Jerry and stuff like that, man. Yeah, where is Lawsuit Jerry? I'm gonna go to his channel and see what's up with him, because he started the channel and stuff like that. But yeah, we're gonna get my father's channel started, man, so y'all can see some more of these tech videos, man. And I'm salty still because the 50-minute video that we did when we was actually at Target that day, and he was showing how to scrape the corrosion off the battery and stuff, and he was showing a lot of tips on how to do that part. That video just disappeared. It was a 50-minute video, and we did some real things in that video, but it just disappeared. So it be like that on YouTube too. I lost a lot of videos like that. It's like I'll post them and it just disappear, won't post, and I'd be like, what the hell? And they wasn't even a live video. Okay, I went live just a little bit of it, and I knew it was gonna break up, and it takes a long time for the live to post. So that live video that y'all see of him just scraping a little bit of the terminals, it was a 50-minute vlog that came right behind it, but it disappeared somewhere and got lost. But that's how it go, man. But next time, okay, when I vlog, I'm gonna take the camera. The phone is good too, but I'm gonna take the camera because, you know, either way it go, you can lose footage a lot, you know, when you're doing this YouTube stuff. But, you know, I just learned a lesson. Maybe I won't do a vlog that long on the camera, on the telephone, because, you know, it can't hold that much memory, even though I got it up there. But it took a long time to post, and I didn't expect it to do that, okay? Because normally it don't take about 10 minutes after you post a video, it'll post. Because I do my UFO videos with the telephone. Y'all see, I be doing 30-minute videos, and it'll post. But that's how it goes sometimes. But, hey, man, we can get up out of here, man. But, hey, this your boy, LCDAONE, your indie star car driver, okay? Make sure y'all like the video, share, comment, subscribe, man, and turn the notification bell back. Turn the notification bell button on. Okay, so y'all get more exclusive tech videos and stuff like that. Y'all know I do tech work too with this stuff and video stuff, but tech videos as far as car and all that stuff, man. Alright, I'm gonna holler on the next one. We out of here. Yeah. Hey man, I'm just gonna keep it 100 with y'all, man. Y'all niggas out there, man. They're saying I ain't the OG, the original. Hey man, he's a duplicate. He's a duplicate, nigga. Yeah, he's a duplicate, nigga. He's a duplicate. He's a dude, nigga, and I'm original, motherfucking OG, nigga. Yeah, don't forget to get your custom t-shirts, you dig what I'm talking about, from LCDAONE. You see the custom prints all over the shirt, you dig what I'm talking about, we ain't playing no game. The custom sweater, you dig what I'm talking about, yeah. With the back end print on it, same. I got the t-shirts as well, you dig, unisex, long sleeve, you dig. Now we got the full zip up, you dig what I'm talking about, split up with the hood on it, split up with the back print as well, you dig what I'm talking about, we ain't playing no game. And then I got the full zip up, custom with the pockets on it and stuff, you dig what I'm talking about, back print and sleeve and print, you dig what I'm talking about, prints everywhere. Then I got the yoga pants, you dig what I'm talking about, joggers, you dig what I'm talking about, for men. And I got the crop new t-shirts for the ladies, you dig what I'm talking about, look at that, she look comfortable with it. Then I got the sports bra, you dig what I'm talking about, get the sports bra, you dig what I'm talking about, the back print, you dig what I'm talking about, the back print, you dig what I'm talking about, we ain't playing no game. And then I got the yoga pants for the ladies, you dig what I'm talking about, biker booty shorts, you dig what I'm talking about, for that piece can round out, you dig what I'm talking about. Then I got the yoga leggings, you dig what I'm talking about, for when she jogging and everything. And I got the capris right there with the custom LC right between the thighs, you dig. And I got the custom socks, you dig what I'm talking about. You ain't gonna find no more socks like that nowhere on the planet. And then last but not least, I got the LCDAONE jersey, you dig what I'm talking about. Then I got the back print on there, look at that back print, look good. Then I got the Illmatic one, my street ball jersey with the 2-4 on it. And then I got the little Steve pull-up bag right there for the ladies, you dig, on drawstring bag. And then I got the real backpack, you know what I'm talking about, LCDAONE. Look at the back, look at the front, you know, look at the top, you know what I'm talking about. Everything is looking good, you know what I'm talking about, in LCDAONE's neighborhood. And then I got the extra iPhone 10 case, you know what I'm talking about. And then I got the iPhone 6 case, 7, 8, 9, just order what you want. And then I got the custom print, you know what I'm talking about, LCDAONE, baby. And then I got the custom mug, when you want to get drunk and drink and stuff to my store. And then I got the snuggle pillow, when you want to get snuggled with your lady, yeah.